Hey creators! If you want to take your photo editing to the next level, Lightroom's AI-powered masking tool makes it easier than ever to apply precise edits to specific areas of your images. Whether you need to enhance a subject, adjust the background, or fine-tune lighting, this tool does the hard work for you. No manual selections are required. Before discussing using AI-powered masking, let's ensure you have Lightroom installed. If you haven't downloaded it yet, check the link in the description. It'll take you to Adobe's official site, where you can safely download the latest version. How to download and install Adobe Lightroom. Follow these simple steps to get Lightroom up and running. Go to Adobe's official website, link in the description, and sign in or create an Adobe account. Find Lightroom in the Adobe Apps list and click Free Trial to begin downloading. Install Adobe Creative Cloud, which will manage the installation for you. Once installed, launch Lightroom, and you're ready to start editing. The free trial gives you full access to Lightroom's AI-powered tools, including automatic masking. This allows you to test everything before committing, ensuring you're entirely comfortable and confident with your decision. How to use AI-powered masking for advanced editing. Now that Lightroom is installed, let's go over how to use AI-powered masking to create precise and professional edits. Import your photo, open Lightroom, and drag in the image you want to edit. Access the masking panel. Click on the masking tool in the Develop module. Let AI detect key areas. Select Subject or select Sky, and Lightroom will automatically detect and mask the area for you. Refine your selection. Use the Add or Subtract brush to fine-tune the mask if needed. Adjust exposure, contrast, and color. With the mask active, tweak the brightness, sharpness, and saturation for that specific area. Use multiple masks. Add different AI-powered masks to edit multiple photo elements separately. Invert and feather the mask. Invert the mask if you need the opposite effect. This will apply the edits to the entire image except the selected area. On the other hand, feathering creates a smooth transition between the masked and unmasked areas, resulting in a more natural blend. With AI-powered masking, you can make precise, professional edits in seconds, saving time while improving the quality of your images. If you haven't installed Lightroom yet, click the link in the description to download it now. Using the latest version ensures you get all the newest AI-powered editing tools. And if you're serious about leveling up your editing skills, we'd love to have you as part of our community. Join us and subscribe to our newsletter for exclusive Lightroom tutorials, software discounts, and expert editing tips delivered straight to your inbox. The link is below. Also, if you want to learn another powerful Lightroom technique, check out the video at the top right corner. In it, we cover how to use the histogram for perfect exposure adjustments. That's it for today. Have fun experimenting with AI-powered masking, and I can't wait to hear about your experiences. Share your thoughts and creations in the comments below, and I'll see you at the following tutorial.